I know in the videos may make it look like it's really easy, but sometimes it's a struggle. A hole might not be drilled all the way through, or you'll begin wrapping and the wrapping just doesn't look right. So you'll be like, oh my God, I got to take this apart and redo it. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to twist, because I want the twisted effect on this one. So we'll twist the wire, and I'm going to make my hoop with this one. So I wrapped, I'm going to fold, and then I'm going to wrap. Wrap and wrap. So this will give us our hole for where the necklace will hang from. And we'll wrap and keep wrapping and wrap. Keep wrapping. And remember, I said I like to cut one shorter than the other because that'll allow me to tuck the wire in different places. So in this case, I'm going to tuck it right here. So I'll bring it around and secure it in there. And this one I will take at the bottom. And then I will twist it up. And then that'll go under. And we'll take the pliers to make sure it goes all the way under. And then that's our hoop come here. And then what I want to do is I want to cover a lot more of the front. So I need some more wire. Cut. And then I think with this wire, I want to take it from up here. So that means I'm going to wrap and secure it up here. And then I'm going to take it because I want definition in the wire. So I'll bend it. And then bend it again, so it gives me a little decoration, some character to it. And then I'm going to take the wire. Actually, I'm going to take a piece. Let me get a bead. Let's try this one. And we'll put a bead there. And then I'll take it around. Under, and then I'll bring it around over here because I want to put a bead over here. So we'll do, I wonder if I can add one of these in. Let's see, this one might be, yeah, that one is too big. Let's see, oh, you know what, let's try this one. I like that one. Let's do, we'll try this one. And that gives you a different kind of look. So we'll do another one of these. And we'll wrap. Take the wire back around and we'll bring it through. to grab it, pull it through. And we'll pull that through. Okay, so we'll do that like that. I like that already. And then we'll put some other beads on. Maybe let's try this one. And see, that's the idea, to just give it a very full, look. So we got that. And then I can take the wire and then wrap it to give it some definition here. And then I can take it, and I think I'll wrap it here. And sometime when you're making, well, anything for me, it can look ugly at first. And then by the time I'm finished with it, I'll be like, oh my God, that is nice. Okay, so we'll make sure that. Absolutely. Okay. And then these boho agate slices are meant to be bulky, and that's what they're called, chunky Bohemian necklaces. So they're meant to be chunky and just with a lot going on and nice and full. Let's cut some of this part off. And then I'm gonna tuck this, oops. I'm going to tuck this here. I might have to clip it. No, I'll get this in here. Okay, we will fold it under, and there we go. So we have that part, and then we have a little definition here, and I'm going to take this and kind of manipulate that, so we'll have more of a, it gives it more of a, more character. Kind of fold that piece, and then let's round this piece off and see what we get. Yeah, that's cool. And then what I want to do is work on the, and you see how simple that was? It was very easy. It's just a matter of getting the wire on, getting it secured, filling in where you want the beads to go. And we'll keep this over here, and then what I'll do is take this and kind of twist it. So it's just a matter of making sure that the wire is secure, getting the beads where you want the beads to be. And then this is the pendant. So once we have the pendant made, I might want to put something right here. Once you get the pendant made, then it's a matter of just going ahead and creating your necklace to hang the pendant from. So let's do that. I didn't mean for this to be a really long video, and I was thinking that when I started, I was like, wow, this will probably be a long video. So I'm gonna try to rush it a little bit. So I need to get wire. And remember, I never measure, only because I know just about how much wire to use for everything, because I've been doing it for so long. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip. And then I generally would take my wire, match the ends, bend it in the middle. And the reason why I'm bending it in the middle is because I want to hang my pendant from it. So we got that on there so far. And then let's see how we want to string. How about if we start with, we'll start with the little small howlet pieces. Yeah, we'll start with the small pieces, and then we'll just kind of build our way up. So we'll start with those two small ones. You could already see that's already pretty. And then I want to kind of do something just kind of very different and unique. So we'll have these on. And then I plan to use some of these beads. And we'll bead these on. We'll use a couple of wood beads. And you can kind of see what the necklace is already going to look like, just right there. And then I'm going to put a couple more of these beads here. And I love the string because I like to see what they're going to look like. So let's put a couple of these. Love making jewelry. So we'll do that, and that gives you an idea about already what it's going to look like. So then we'll go ahead and put the bigger pieces of howlet. Okay. And that's that so far.